Good morning, guys. What's going on here? Hope you guys are having a good day so far. We're ready to get another live stream going on here. It's 8 a.m. We're going to be trading the New York Open, all right, as usual. Guys, just one quick thing to keep in mind. What you see on my chart is just some chart I did before, but guys, we're not financial advisors, okay? So any trades that you do take are upon yourself. We are not a trade alert service, signal service, anything like that. This is providing you free technical and fundamental analysis, okay? So just make sure you consult with a professional advisor before taking any of these trades. More in the description below. So now that I got that out of the way, guys, let's get down to some business here. All right. So I was just fooling around beforehand, guys. I caught a little bit of the dump here this morning, okay, and then kind of entered in a nice little trade here, but it wasn't getting much push. You can see the bottom wicks are pushing up. This is gold on the hourly, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to erase this, okay. I'm going to go from the daily top down, okay. We're going to get right into this. All right, if there's any questions, you guys just ask me in the chat box. But like I said, we want to get an 8:30 move. There is some nice news coming up, so let's have a good one, guys. Thank you, Agung. Good morning, Madcap. Good morning, brother. Cause BLVCK. Good morning, bro. Connor, welcome back, brother. Thank you, man. So, and sorry, guys. I have a little bit of a headache this morning. So hopefully we can get into these trades and it can make it feel a lot better. Okay, daily, all the way down to 4 hour. And just bear with me, guys. We will be getting everything charted and finished momentarily. Okay, you can see gold is still making that nice leg up on the 4 hour, guys, but it started to break through with a retest now. It's holding good support here right at the 200, okay? A little bit below it broke below at 1790, but it can definitely continue that bullish trend if it holds support and doesn't fall below in this area here, okay? So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, I'll drop down hourly. And guys, basically what I'm doing is gathering key areas of support and resistance from from higher time frames and just breaking them down to lower time frames, okay? Okay, you can see all these top wicks right here, guys. They try to push it up, but it's getting heavy rejected, and it's still on a descending angle right there. Okay, you can kind of see that from that huge bearish sell-off. So we're still waiting for gold to kind of make its move, but it does have an opportunity to really kind of reject here and push or pull. So this is where we're at right now on gold on the hourly. Okay. That's the key break to the upside, guys. If it breaks up here, it's going to come, and then it might find some key resistance right at this level right here. Okay, right at there. All right. Guys, morning sessions, we're really only focused on gold, US 30, and NASDAQ, okay? So I'm not really going to focus on many pairs. Yesterday was a one-off day, I can guarantee that. We're going to get back to some good trading today. Okay, we're going to drop it down to the 30-minute now. Okay, now you can see we have good support for the bulls and for the bears. All right, so see how they're hovering right at that 200 for the next move. We'll wait and see we will wait and see which way they're going to push this leg up. All right. No, it's not. It's right there. Okay, guys, this is looking good so far. Okay, this is on the 30-minute now. Let's drop it down to 15. Pierre, good morning. Larry, welcome back, brother. Thank you so much. Guys, remember, we're going to go till about 10 today. I got some I got to do some meetings, so we won't be able to stream as long. All right. Okay, guys, I can see some consolidation forming here. You can see the bottom there, they're starting to break out. All right. So now, guys, this is gold on the 15-minute. All right. Big, powerful moves potentially could happen, but it's right now it's just in some consolidation right there. You just see what I'm saying? Not too much volume. It's kind of barcoding. All right, but it's still, if you really look at this closely, okay, you can see from here all the way to here, it's still sloping downwards. Okay. So I'm saying, so it's still on like a nice little downtrend below the 200. All right. So guys, why I'm showing you this is because when we go to Forex Factory today, guys, at 8:30 a.m. we're gonna get an orange folder here. So I think gold will have a nice little move. Okay. Whether it's gonna be bullish or bearish, we'll have to wait and actually see. Okay. But it's really chop fest right now, guys. I don't like the way this is setting up. I don't like this setup here. You see what I'm saying? We know the overall trend is bearish, but it broke. The reason why it's bearish is because it broke through the 200-day moving average on a higher time frame and retested the 200. Okay, so now we're just waiting to see if it's actually going to push or if it's going to pull. Okay, now we're getting to right down for the nitty gritty. 5 minutes. Okay. See all this consolidation, guys? Horrible triple top. They tried to break it down, held good support at 1791, and now it's breaking potentially to the upside. Okay. Okay, so right now we have a nice little support area. As you can see, they're making it right. Oh, sorry. Okay, see, they're making a leg up bounce, rejected, holding support, and then we have the next leg up. Okay. That's not attached. All right, there we go, guys. Now we're kind of set up here. I need to see one more. Okay, now we have the walk up. Perfect. Okay, guys, now this is gold on the 5 minute. Okay, I'm keeping a little bit of a nice range in here. As you can tell, though, there is some key consolidation right in this area right here. Okay, so it pushed up, and now the sellers are starting to push down. Okay, remember, guys, at 8:30 there is news, so in 12 minutes. Okay, we'll just wait and see how all these candles are starting to close, and then we'll move from there. Okay, don't always like putting support and resistance on bodies, on two different bodies, but look, that body closed here. Okay, and that's where the wick previously was. So this has an opportunity to maybe make a balance and fill this wick. Okay, if not, it's just going to continue to sell off. All right, give me one quick second here. Okay, cool. So guys, if it's looking for long, all right, we're looking at something like this. All right, I need it to break pretty much above this area right here at 1794. If not, it's going to continue to sink. Initially missed it. All right, don't worry. Perfect, guys. And for those of you guys who are new to the channel, remember I just always set up trades like this simply to catch the next move. Okay, as soon as the trade triggers one of these areas, bullish or bearish, what I like to do is honestly take my, I will remove, say if it goes bearish, I will remove the top, and then we'll adjust our stop loss according to the actual trade. Okay, I'm just looking for the zone and the break out of that zone. All right, so Right now, guys, there's no confirmed nothing. Okay, you can see that they tried to push it up. There's a little bit of retest. We'll see if it's actually going to have a bearish continuation here. Let's see, and I'll show you what I mean by trap. Okay, look at that. See, now they're selling off. All right, and then we have our price flags, 1794. Okay, and then 1793. Okay, so understand, guys, this box, okay, stop loss area is roughly 11 pips. Okay, nice and tight. All right, this is scalping. You don't want to have like really wide stop losses. A lot of times you use those when you're doing higher time frame trading. Okay, like hourly, 4 hour. Dummy it down a bit with your lot size, and then make your stop loss wider. And you know what I mean. That's pretty much how you can avoid always getting stopped out on swing term trades. Okay, obviously once you go into profit, the nice thing about FX is you can start adding in more. Okay, bing, 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 right? And those lots, they don't have to be increased lot sizes. They can just be smaller lot sizes. Same thing as what you used, and then obviously that compounds, right? So, Connor, yeah, bro. Webinar, guys, for our members, webinar 9 and 10 will be uploaded to the website. Okay. I just got to finish editing. We have everything caught up until these last two, but yes, they will be uploaded, and yes, number 9 will be uploaded this week too. Okay. So stay tuned for that. Okay, guys. So as you can see, gold is, I'm not looking for the move. Like, I know gold is bearish right now, but I'm looking for a more overall move in at like 830 area. Okay. So let's get it. Let's just make sure that if we're taking any of these trades, you're using proper risk management, all right? And you're understanding that at 8:30 there's news. So in like 18 minutes there's news. So gold is still bearish here, guys. So that would have been the nice trade right there. See, nice little sell-off. All right, we'll see if it's going to bounce here. If it's going to hold 1791.98 or not. Okay. Nor slow market, I know, man. Not much we can do. The indices are starting to pump, and it's slowing down everything. You know what I mean? There's a lot of news coming up, as you can tell. Not much news today, but we have a lot of news tomorrow. Okay, prelim. So we'll have these. We'll have 8:30, and then we'll have pretty much 10 as well. So a lot of Euro news, and then Friday we'll have a really good 10 a.m. guys on Friday. I might stream a little longer on Friday. So we'll wait and see because I know there's some nice folders there. Okay, guys. So as you can see, no real continuation on gold. All right. Nothing really kind of came for that. So I'm not really looking to kind of take this trade just yet. I'm waiting for it to see if it'll hold below here. So you can see it opened up, pushed down, then gapped right back up. Okay. A little bit of a head fake, but keep in mind that we do have a potential uptrend forming here. Okay. On the 5 minute. If it starts to break below here, that's where it held support. Okay. But look, came up here, got rejected. All right, tried to break here, push down, held the uptrend. Okay, to continue that down uptrend, it's got to break below here, and then break the support 1791, and then it will continue. Okay, but it held that 5 minute uptrend, and then it held that actual support at 1791, 1792 area. Okay, so what we're looking to do, guys, is maybe this is going to go bullish, but again, I still think that there's a lot of bearish momentum here. Okay, I wouldn't put anything like that if I didn't believe that there is a lot of potential bearish sell-off coming up. Okay, and obviously we can adjust accordingly. All right. Okay, so we're just going to let gold do its thing. All right. I'm going to quickly chart US 30. Okay. Gonna go from the 4 hour. Okay. Okay, look at US 30, guys. Nice little bottom wicks down here, right in the zone. Pushed it back up hard. Okay. Nice little double bottom break. Here's the neckline at 35,005. Okay, so you can see when it broke 35,005, it had a really nice push, really nice continuation on the 4 hour. Okay, And remember, this is US 30 on the 4-hour time frame, okay? Guys, we're only going to be going till 10 today, okay? Ron will do a session tonight, and yeah, guys, later on tomorrow and the next day, I'm going to go for probably about 2.5 hours just to make up for it. I think the folder news, like yesterday was really slow, okay? So I was even nervous about today, but I think they're going to have a little bounce back. But if not, then we will look for just maybe longer trading sessions on Thursday or Friday, okay? Just wanted to let you know. Okay, now you tighten everything up. And now this is on the hourly, guys. Okay. And guys, always tighten up your support and resistance. Okay, it's one thing to have a chart done, but it's another thing to make sure that everything is, you know what I mean? You just want to cross your T's and dot your I's. All right. Yeah, I know I could, buddy. I I just like to be in control like this for some reason. I know about the shortcuts. I know Stream Deck. I know how we have a lot of things like that. But me, I literally just like to use support and resistance like this, place it on myself. So, Frankie, what's going on, brother? Good morning. Bell, good morning. Connor, no problem. Valora, thank you very much, brother. Hope you're having a good day too. Okay, give me one sec, guys. I'm going to along this. So in 30 minutes, guys, I need to basically send this to the team. Give me one second here. A little higher time frame. Breaks above here, guys. Oh. Okay, that's bullish. Right around here. That's bearish. Okay. And take profit. Don't worry, guys. All on the live, I'm going to drop this down to the 5-minute. Okay, this is just for my team. And gold is continuing to go bearish here. Give me one quick sec, guys. Okay. Okay, give me one sec. Okay, guys, US 30. I'm gonna drop down to the third lower time frame. And Kit, don't worry, buddy. I'll be right back. I'll be right there for you. Cool. I'll drop down to the 15 now. Okay, it's the 15-minute time frame, guys. I'm going to leave US 30 on maybe the 15. Okay. So give me a break here. Let me see if we can get this up here. Nice. Okay, I'm looking for maybe a break around this area right here. Nice little stop loss. All right. That's a key. That's a take profit, guys. The overall break would be down here. All right. Which you'll see in 2 seconds. Okay. And if it's short, guys, same thing. I'm going to keep a nice tight stop loss here so you understand. And we're going to get to here first. We got to break and get down here for the next opportunity. So that would be a good one before. Okay. Guys, US 30 on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15 minutes. All right, I just sent one to my team at 30 minutes. This is 15-minute higher time frame for 30, obviously, so use smaller lot sizes, but this is what we're looking at doing right now. Okay. Wait and see what's going to happen. What we're looking for, guys, is this break, obviously, to the downside. Okay. If not, you're going to have a breakdown here with a retest and then a continuation. Okay. If it pushes up, it's going to come down here, bounce potentially at this area. You can see all the support. It might, and then hopefully bounce back into gold. Okay. Or sorry, into blue. All right. So let's just wait and see what happens. There's still under 8 minutes left, okay, for this specific indice. On 15-minute, we're going to go to gold and we're going to drop it down, okay? Okay, so gold is interesting. They tried to push it down, they pushed it back up. Now they're consolidating this area. Don't worry, guys. At 8:30 is when we're going to get in like 8 minutes. We're getting nice determination of the trend here, okay? And Kit, buddy, hold strong. Okay, so gold goes bullish here. Yeah, Frankie, yeah, for sure, brother. There's news coming up. Okay, so gold, there you go. That's the entry. Okay, so we're going to leave that sell. We know where to go for the sell. And Kit, buddy, just chill out. You're good so far. Okay, it needs to break this area right here, guys. That's a lot of bullish push, but you can see they sold it off. Pushed up here. Gravestone Doji. Okay, Gravestone Doji. All right. And then they tried to sell it off. Tried to push it up here. Sold it off again. Might happen the same thing, guys. Push it up. It might sell it off again. Okay, so let's wait and see if that's the case. That's still looking like pretty good opportunity for there. So let's just wait. Like I said, don't enter in anything. I've been saying this for like since I started at 8. Okay, wait until this news comes. Core durable goods. All right, listen, that's going to have an impact. Okay, and that's at 8:30. 8:30. Okay, so they push it right back. Okay, so there's under 20 seconds left. Then we'll have the next 8:25 candle. Okay, this will be a good candle. We'll wait and see. It's going to lead into that news. So we'll see if we're going to get a nice little push or a nice little pull. Okay, and obviously, yeah, we're going to have New York open. All right, which will focus more on the indices. And I think today we'll probably get a nice little move. Yesterday was pretty choppy until NASDAQ had a nice little breakout. Okay. So do you see how they tried to push all the way up there, guys? Pushed it back down right in this consolidation area. All right. This whole area around here is It's basically barcode. Okay, buyers and sellers. You can scalp that, but it's not the best that you want to do. Um, as you can see, guys, they started to push it up, sold it right off. It's now they're forming the goods. They just formed a bottom tail at 1793, the initial trap. Okay, so guys, when I set this up, trust me, it's not like I'm just guesstimating these numbers. You can see full hand and through that there's a nice uptrend here. Okay, we have some good support forming on over above 1791.97, and now they're starting to walk their way up. All right. But again, guys, there's heavy selling pressure here. Right now, it's like two magnetic fields coming together, right? Okay, so guys, we have that new candle pushing bullish here. Okay, I wouldn't enter in on this candle yet. There's still 3 minutes left. Wait until the next music. Sorry, wait until the next candle. I was looking at YouTube music there. Don't listen to that. Anyways, guys, let's check out the stream. Okay. Cool, guys. 100 people there, 30 likes. Could you try to get that up for me? Obviously, I'm going to require 100 to choose what you guys want to trade for the market open. So help me get some work done beforehand, and we'll go from there. Okay. Oh yeah, brother. Patience is key, dude. Patience is key. Okay. W is forming on gold. Absolutely. You can see my guys are starting to understand this. Frankie always did. Look, starting to sell off here. Boom, boom, boom. If it comes up here, guys, this is the neckline break right around here, which is pretty much the entry for the trade. If we catch the overall move, it's going to have resistance at this previous wick at the high 1795.78. The next resistance would be the 200-day moving average 1796.60, and then if it breaks through all these things, guys, it's going to go bullish. All right, but just be patient with it. Gold still has the opportunity to sell. All right, so keep that in mind. And yeah, guys, if you could get the likes up for me, like I said, regardless at New York Open, before New York, I'm going to require basically 100. All right, so, and shout out to the people who disliked it twice. I think you guys are the most important. If you don't like how we're doing our stream or anything like that, shoot us a message. Please give us some feedback. I personally don't like people who hide behind computer screens, disliking and trolling and stuff like that. So if you have a issue, you know what I mean, put it in the chat box or send us a message to let us know how we can do the stream better. You know what I mean? I welcome that kind of stuff because I just want to improve the stream to the point where everyone enjoys it. But I also realize that you can't obviously please everyone. 52, guys, that's huge. Thank you so much. Okay, as you can see, gold now pushed back into kind of indecision right at the consolidation area. That's why it's there. You don't like my cap? It says stock sniper trading. Eat, sleep, trade, repeat. So I guess you don't like stock sniper trading. See? Stock sniper trading, eat, sleep, trade, repeat. I think gold will. I don't know about gold right now. We need to wait and see how the news is going to pull. Okay, gold has been in a very bearish trend for sure, but as you can see right now, guys, really indecision. That's why I put this right in here. So, Varun, welcome, brother. Fun time. Let's see what's going to happen with gold. Okay, under 30 seconds coming now for this next candle. This is going to be your 8:30 candle. This is going to be the potentially volatile bullish or bearish break. Okay. Okay, see, we're getting that top wick, guys. Top wick, top wick, top wick. Now they're pushing down. All right. Keep in mind. Okay, they gapped it down, guys. You see that? All right. Okay, see guys, okay, listen. The news is starting to drop, so it's just starting to fruition, okay? Let's see if we can refresh this. Okay, see how it's just starting? Okay, that just means it's just processing, okay? So let's just wait and see what's going to happen with gold. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of bearish momentum there. All right, so that buy was kind of annulled. Okay, we're starting to sell off here. Okay, guys, now remember, it's going to want to hold that 1791 area. Okay, if it breaks below here like it did with this wick, it's going to start falling down. If you did take this impulse trade, like I said, maybe look to take your profit, you can see there's a lot of buyers coming in the market here. Okay, a lot of buyers are pushing it up. Okay, so maybe look to take some partials or maybe just clean that trade out. All right, because if you did take that sell, like, you're up maybe 10 pips, but again, the last thing you want is this quick reversal to the upside. Okay, and if that does happen, like I said, we'll just move it over. See what I mean, guys? It's starting to form into a potential buy. Okay, but we'll see. We'll wait and see how this next candle opens. There's still 3 minutes left. Okay, that was the initial news candle, guys. That was 8:30. Okay, and like you never really want to buy or sell on 8:30. You want to let it figure out and do its thing because it kind of head faked you out, right? It pushed down. All right, now it's pushing back up. It is holding resistance at the initial entry at 1792.99, and then it's starting to push bullish. Okay, so keep that in mind. Yeah, I know. I followed that before, Connor, for sure. Okay, so there's gold, guys, going bullish. There's an entry right there. This trade, guys, what happened was 8:30 opened. Okay, it shot right back down. Okay, no, TB Sydney. That's a good question, buddy. People were probably wondering that. Okay, so 8:30 opened. It was in bearish. It went bearish. Okay, and then all of a sudden, I said wait for this candle to open at 8:30 and wait for the next one to close. Okay, you can check it back in the. So I love about live streaming. It records everything. Okay, so as it opened, you can see it started to push right back up. Okay, so at this point, I'm not like looking to sell anymore. Okay, I'm looking to maybe take a buy. All right, if any kind of movement like that is going to happen. So, and the reason why is, guys, is because there's that 5 minute uptrend, and gold has been bullish as of late. If you go to the higher time frames, listen. If you go to the higher time frame, guys, look at how look at how bullish gold is. Okay, it broke through the 200, and it sold off and retested, but gold still has a lot of opportunity to go to the upside. Okay. Okay, so they're really just kind of indecision right now. All right, I want to wait till I get the overall trend. I know it looks choppy, but if you know how I trade, guys, it's okay. We'll get that overall trend catch. All right. Absolutely. M Mark. Exactly, guys. Look, he just said it. Read the chat. The first spike, which means candle opens, the news opens, the first thing, usually a head fake. Okay, that's why I say wait. Patience. Wait on it. Don't be impulse buying or impulse selling because you can get burned hard. Okay. Emil. You shouldn't do what the viewers want, so they get happy. Emil, I think I do what the viewers want. You sign on every single day, so I think people want to see gold in the indices, the market open, unless you want to trade pairs and maybe get 10 pips compared to like 200-300, right? So see how gold caught the bullish trend now, guys? That's what I mean. You never like the first 8:30 candle. There's still like this is still the 8:30 candle, guys. Remember, this is 5 minutes, 42 seconds left on it. I'm still waiting. I still haven't taken anything yet. I'm waiting for this candle to close to see the overall direction. All right. And another key thing, guys, if you're new, all right, you see this 5 minute uptrend here? Okay, you see how they were respecting it the last maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, last 25 minutes, okay? So you got to understand that they know, and the market makers know to hold it above 1791, okay? And then there's a constant uptrend here, okay? It's starting to push right up, okay? It's from this 5 minute ascending angle, all right? Let's see what's going to happen here. Let's go check out US 30 for a sec. Okay, nice little W pattern formation here. It's on the 15-minute, remember? All right. US 30, the only thing I'm worried about with buying US 30 is look at all this wick right here. All right. Guys, remember, when we're on here, this is scalping, okay? This is scalping. This is not long-term trading, okay? So just keep this in mind. Okay, US 30, 15-minute. Gold. It's ironic, isn't it? Didn't even break through there. Now they're going to test that ascending angle. See what I mean? 5-minute uptrend, okay? Did it broke below the into potential sell opportunity. New candle open, sold right up, okay? Pushed right up there, guys. Look, candle did not close. I'll zoom in here for you. Candle did not close above it. Opened it up. Second one opened bearish. Boom. No trade. No trade, guys. Nothing yet. We're waiting here, okay? I know it might seem confusing to you, but you guys need to understand a little bit of patience here, all right? Because if you're starting to just buy on whim on these, especially on news, right? You're getting head faked out, okay? So I want to wait till this overall trend happens. We might get it around 8:45. You know what I mean? Maybe 8:50 leading into market open, but we'll wait and see here. Right now it's just kind of dancing. All right. If you're in the buy, you know what I mean. You're in a little bit of a down. You know, not in trouble, but you're down. Okay, depending on where you got in. So you may be down 15 pips. Okay. If you're in a sell, you're still looking at good opportunity here. Okay. But the sell, I don't like because of all these bottom wicks right here. All right, the sell. Okay, you see that? So there's a lot of buying pressure actually being pushed up. And yeah, guys, head fake for sure. It happens all the time. That's why I said wait for these candles to close. Wait till the next one opens till we get the trend. Okay, a lot of people would have been buying on that double bottom potentially uptrend, but again, look, they got head faked out. Okay, gold is selling off. They're going to fill this wick right down to here for sure. They need to break that 1791.98. If it does, they're going to fill this wick. No issues, guys. Absolutely no issues. Okay. Okay. Oh, Emil, brother, no problem, dude. I asked for likes to get the video viral. As you can see, the amount of growth. We're almost at 2,000 followers. That's almost 1,500 followers in less than a month. Okay, and it doesn't happen like that if you don't ask people to just give your video a like, because I'm charting free for you. You know what I mean? If you guys don't appreciate the free charting and don't give me a like, that's okay. But if you do, you know what I mean? Just show the love. That's it. If you don't, if you're not a good salesperson, you won't grow YouTube. It's just how it is, man. I don't know how to explain it, but when you start a channel, bro, and you want to do it like that, trust me when I say you'll be. It's not that I'm begging or needing it. Say if you guys want to drop me a like it, because I'm putting the time and effort to do that for you. Okay. And Emil, I know you're on here every single call because you're always in the chat box blowing it up. So I know you like it, and that's it. Okay, guys. So the sell, if you did take it, remember, guys, there's still buyers in this opportunity. All right. So we're bottoming out at 1791.3. Okay, if it gets down to 1790.32, okay, we got to make sure that it's going to break here. If not, we're going to look for catching a maybe a bounce. Okay, Sam Yan, thank you so much for subscribing. Rich Tran, thank you for so much for subscribing. Okay. Okay, so guys, if you did take that sell, what you need to do now is move your stop loss to break even. Okay. Okay, guys, so remember, remember I told you it filled that wick. Okay, and there we go, started to dump. Okay, let's see if the next take profit, guys. I can't really show it to you, but it would be down here. All right, so you see the entry of 1793, 1790, 1790.28 is where we hit. Guys, secure some of your profits, okay? All right. Because look, it made a bottom here. We got to remember that it's done this before. It came right in this area, okay? And see, it's pushed back up once, twice, then it pushed up. We need to look to secure profits here too, guys, okay? So just keep that in mind. I can't continue to help you if you don't like secure profits and actually pay yourself, because sometimes it gets really frustrating on yourself, guys. You know, it's like you're trading for a little bit like this, and you know what I mean, you're not seeing any results time and time again. But it's because you're not securing, right? You're letting these you're trying to let these trades run. Okay, scalping is not always like that. Okay, you know, when we get these big breakouts, it's because it just happens in our favor. You know what I mean? But this scalping, honestly, look it up. 20 pips, you know, 10 to 20 pips multiple times in and out. People only need 10 pips, right? Get in, get out, get in, get out, right? That will add up over time. And depending on whether you're a swing trader or, you know what I mean, even a day trader, something you need to understand. Because look, I told you guys, look, to take your profits if you took that sell, simply because all that bullish push now, okay? All right, they're going to push it right above, and they're going to try to get above that overall 5-minute trend again. Okay, it did break down here, guys. You can see that was like an M pattern, a double top. Okay, and I can see what's going to happen next. Okay, look here. I'll explain here. Boom, bottom, boom. Here, as soon as it came here, guys, broke below there, you can see it shot right back down. All right, but now, guys, like I told you, that's why I told you take your profits down here. That's a good trade. That was a literally, if you got in, guys, that would have been a 20 plus pip trade. Okay, now we're waiting for the retest, and we're going to see if it's going to actually push to the upside here, guys. So for all the sellers still holding this, guys, this, I want you to see this, okay? Just understand this, guys. Boom. Okay, so remember, this is scalping, all right? Push it down, take your profits. This is not long-term trading, 15 minutes trading. This is not that at all. Okay, that's a good trade. Boom. If you got head fake down in there, that's your own fault. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to be rude, but you jumped the gun. Trading is about patience, guys. Waiting for the overall developments of trends. Breakthrough, breaks downs. Okay? We can easily put it on the 15-minute and just sit here and talk, but we're not going to do that. All right? Okay, so we're going to push, guys. Look, see how it's pushing, running to get back into that 1793 area between 1794. Okay, just keep that in mind, guys. Okay, so this will be the next break to the upside. You see how it's all that resistance right there? Okay, see how the nice bullish power came in? We'll wait and see here, guys, but this is still the news. Let's check it out. Okay, so see how the news on positive USD, okay, 0.7, negative 0.1. Let's go check out that DXY, and we'll see if we're going to get a nice little push here. Okay, so DXY is still bullish, had a nice little bearish retracement here. All right, so let's wait and see here. Do you see this nice big bullish uptrend on DXY, guys? Found support at 92.8, and ever since then it's been steady, steady. Okay. Choppy trading, guys. Choppy trading. Okay. This stuff, honestly, I would like stay away from. All right. You can catch good pips here and there, but like I said, it can head fake you out a lot. It's similar to what happened yesterday. All right. So guys, remember, selling off here, okay, you would look to take your profit. All right. Now it's retracing back into this area right here. You can see that they're trying to push it right in between 1793 and 1794. If it continues, this would be the overall trend. All right. But it needs to start to break and actually hold with the retest here, guys. The reason I told you, if you were on the call before, the sell right down here. Look at all these buyers that came in. Okay. Quick little scalp, sell, boom. You see this bottom wick starting to form. Look to take your profit. All right. Okay, so now it's pushing up. Let's see. Let's see what's going on with US 30 here. Okay, so US 30 broke above. All right, just remember, guys, this is on the 15 minute, so go to the 15. All right. That would have been the trade right there if you got in at 35,281. Let's wait and see. Okay, so you see how it broke above? We needed to start then breaking above this area right here. There's a lot of resistance though, okay? Most likely what's going to happen is they're going to push up, all right? Push it up like around here. Have some resistance here. If it breaks through, it's going to continue. If it sells off, all right, it's probably going to come back down and turn into a sell. Okay, but you can see that this area, they bounced it down here. I get resistance up here, and now they're starting to make their way to the upside here. Most likely, I'm not putting anything right here just yet. I'm waiting for it to see what's happening at this area right here at the high. Okay, we'll make a determination at the high. All right. All right, guys. Now we need it to break above here and hold around 1795.8. Okay, if it gets rejected, you see what I'm saying? You're going to see the top wick push down, and it's going to close below here, the resistance. All right. So this is a key area right here. It's starting to push. Okay, we need it to break above here. All right. Hold this area right here. See? If it doesn't, guys, it can fall back down. If it does hold, it can pause and continue to the upside. Guys, remember, this is scalping. If you don't know what scalping is, okay, keep this in mind. You're looking for roughly 5 to 20 pips depending. If you catch the overall trends, that's fantastic, okay? But that's what you're looking for, okay? In and out of the markets. And if you guys don't understand that and you're getting your stop losses hit, all right, it's just because you haven't followed the channel or you're not too sure what scalping really is, okay? I told you, if it breaks above here, guys, the key is breaking the high, which is pretty much 1796.23, and then it's gonna have to break through the 200. All right, if it breaks through above here, there you go. I need to fully break. All right. Gold on the overall direction, guys, has been bullish. Okay, and if you know that, you can see on the higher time frame, we've looked actually. We went back about maybe 10 minutes ago to the 4-hour, and we know it's been bullish. It broke through the 200, and then it retested actually, and then held support for a little bit. Now we're waiting to see if we can get that nice little push. So we know gold has been bullish overall. Okay, these are just short little pullbacks, guys. Short little pullbacks here. Okay. So that's what I mean. The scalp, short pullback scalp for the overall correctional trend, which is bullish. You can tell by that overall 5-minute uptrend. They tried to sell it off. Look, 830, guys, roughly 830 area. Little head fake. Okay, push it back up. Now they're holding that 5-minute uptrend. All right. Okay, there's a minute left here, guys. A minute and 9 seconds. So we're gonna wait and see what's actually gonna happen. If they're gonna push or they're gonna pull. Notice like gold, guys. Just choppy action. Choppy action. Okay. When we get our podcast going, people who like to talk, we're gonna actually invite them on here, and we're gonna let them do live trading too. You know what I mean? Then we can really see how it's gonna go down. That's what we like about it. So. And Kit, buddy, congratulations. Ankit's been with us for almost a week, 2 weeks now. Look at his profit himself, guys. Speaks for himself. Okay, so you see how they're finding some support here? All right, we need to see if they're going to break the 200. All right, we need to break it at 1796.55. If it breaks there, guys, it's going to go bullish. All right, 1794 is the entry, and now we're going to look for the push. Next area for target would be 1797. Okay, and then we're looking at pretty much 1798 would be the next next TP. But as you can tell, guys, it's getting a little bit of hold up here. All right, but it's still held good support. Okay, so it broke above. Now it's holding. You're starting to see a little bit of a top wick, right? Pushing it down at the 200, and then it's going to continue. All right. Okay, guys. So Frankie mentioned something before about like a double bottom. Okay, it did kind of fruition, but very awkwardly. All right. So you can see they tried to push it down here, push it up, push it down, right? They found good support, same area, guys, and they pushed it back up. As soon as it got to this area, right, that 1794, pushed all the way up, guys. Nice bullish momentum. All right. Now you can see they're getting a lot of hold up here, right? At 1796, roughly 1797. All right. So let's wait and see if it's going to hold here, guys, or if it's going to fold. All right. If you're looking at like potentially selling off, if this doesn't actually continue, okay, we're going to look for maybe a sell down here. All right. I'm not looking just yet, guys. Okay, just keep this in mind. All right. If it gets rejected here at the 200, guys, remember, it's key area, time for a quick little scalp sell-off, but don't enter anything yet. The entry would be down here at 1795.5. Okay, so you see how it's below here, guys. If you're pressing buying and selling right now, it's not a good thing. Sorry, buying is all right, but selling is not, because it needs to break below. Obviously, you can see how with that bottom wick right there is holding at 1795 point, like roughly 69 on my chart. It's got to be below there, 1795.58. Okay. Okay, so we're still pushing up 1 minute and 15 left. Okay, there's a minute, yeah, 1 minute left, guys. It's at 1796.8. You can still see it's very bullish here. It's breaking out. Okay, so it's looking good. And Kit, you're very happy, bro, because you got back up to that 1797 area. And Kit, Alibaba will be happy, bro. Epic Baba will be very happy. Frankie, there's that double bottom. Okay, guys, there we go. Exactly what happened there. Okay, you can't wait for the retest. We're going to still leave it here, guys. All right, so for everyone saying, oh, yeah, what's going on here? There to there, guys, roughly around 30 pips. So it's retesting. It's going to retest the 200, guys. If it holds here, it's going to continue. Okay. If not, we're going to wait for the fold down here, which we're already ready for. All right. 855. So let's see what's going on with US 30. Okay. Perfect, guys. Nothing came of it yet. See how they had the double bottom too? Sold off. Nothing. They might retest here for our next move. All right. I'm going to erase everything like this and break it down to the 5 minute. Remember, we did this on the 15. Okay. So gold is the main focus right now. Always before 9:30. And Kit is Sam Bam. And Kit is with us. Okay, guys. So 1796.55 is where the moving average is basically crosshaired along with the overall number. Okay. So let's wait and see if they're going to actually dump it or if they're going to continue to pump it. Okay. Daniel, what's going on, buddy? Welcome. Sam, welcome, brother. And I know you're part of it too. I saw you. Welcome. Gregory, NASDAQ, I'm going to chart around 9, okay? Guys, we're going to just pretty much after like 9, I'm going to drop gold a little bit, okay? And then we're going to focus on charting, tidying up US 30, and we're going to focus on doing NASDAQ, okay? And I'm going to go to about 10 o'clock, okay? And then we'll do some more sessions throughout the day for our snipers, okay? And then we have tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? The Camion Poubelle, thank you so much for subscribing, brother. Appreciate that, man. Okay, so they're still retesting here, guys. Still retesting here. They made a nice little high of 1797.72, but they need to have a continuation here. They're getting rejected right at that previous wick. They did break through it, but now it's like I said, it's retesting that 200, and we're maybe looking for it to get down to here. All right, at the 1795, if it starts to really go bearish, okay, this is our last support, guys. If it starts to break below here, you know what I mean, the sellers might take control of it. All right, so just keep that in mind. And guys, what happened originally was we had a buy and sell setup. All right, if you go back in the video and watch, as soon as we got the overall trend, like boom, sliced it off, okay, took the sell. All right, some people maybe would get into it, you know, depending on how effective or useful of a trader you are, okay. And then we waited for the breakout for going bullish here, okay, and it ran for roughly 30 pips, okay. Gregory Blake, thanks for subscribing, brother. Mad respect, I appreciate that. Okay, 2 more minutes, guys, and we'll chart it, and then we're good to go. And guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I know you guys, there's a lot of other channels that do this, sort of, but I definitely really appreciate it, okay? Okay, so there's a minute and 14 seconds left, guys. They're still bouncing off the 200. All right, keep that in mind. Yeah, so there we go. Broke below. This is the last leg of support, guys. So if it's gonna hold here, it's obviously good. If it's gonna break below, we potentially could start selling off here again. Okay, so let's just wait and see. There's a minute left, guys. I'm gonna switch over, and then we're gonna go from a top down on Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, so now we're coming to that key area, guys. Remember, I told you, look to take your profits here. Guys, listen, we're not here to tell you buy and copy and paste and sell and stuff like that. So these people coming in selling, you're missing. No, bro, we're not here to do that. Okay, move along, find someone else. I don't care. We're here to get you into trades that you are looking to pull on your own, so you can understand. All right, I'm telling you right now. I told you right up here. Look. It's selling off. That's a bearish engulfing candlestick right there to completely engulf this previous candle. They're finding good support here. If they break below here, guys, look, boom, it could really sell off here. If not, okay, it's going to hold some good support and push to the upside. All right, but we just need to wait and see what's actually going to happen here. I had a feeling that the sellers might come in. Okay, if you want to take this sell, guys, it's up to you. I'm going to flip over and switch. Okay, so let's just wait and see. See how it's holding good support right there, guys? 4 minutes left. Okay, and this is just on here just to show you guys that this is a key area. But you can see the top wick now. They sold it off, bearish engulfing candlestick. Now they're retesting 1796 area. Okay, there's a big top wick down. Okay, now they're starting to push down. All right, if they hold it, it could be a potential dip buy where you're buying it up to the top again. Or if they start to break below here, guys, and they sell it, it probably we're going to come into that 1794, 1793 area. Okay, so just keep this in mind for both opportunities. I'm going to switch over, and I just want to quickly see one thing real quick. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, let's dive into NASDAQ, okay? If most people sell, I'm buying. Absolutely, man. There, look at NASDAQ. Perfect double bottom, guys. Perfect double bottom right there on the 5 minute. Okay? We had all this, guys. We traded all this NASDAQ bullish breakout. Caught this huge. Okay, good. Okay, guys. So you see how they're finding good support right up here at the 15,307 mark? Okay? Okay, so you can see that now there's a resistance here, guys. Resistance at 15,389. This is on the 4 hour. Okay, keep that in mind. We'll get down there, guys. We'll get down to the lower time frames, but I just want you to see what this looks like. Okay, I don't think we're going to get all the way down here. You know what I mean? It's going to take a lot of move to push down, but again, I just like to do that just for my own purposes. Okay. You can see, guys, we've been on a steady uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. You know when they draw that? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Do you see? Constant uptrend. Greg, we do, man. Actually, we have a full-on group chat that gets answered by myself, Ron, and we have a couple admins as well. So you can drop your charts in there, and we can take a look at them for you. Like more on pairs, guys. Like we focus on what we do, but there's a lot of our guys who are on FTMO challenge funding talent, and we do help them out with that. So yeah, buddy. Okay. And sorry, guys, my voice is all groggy. I got a wicked headache for some reason, so I just wanted to apologize if I don't normally sound my excited self. Okay, guys, this is NASDAQ on the hour now. Remember, okay. Okay, 15,261. All right. That's if we go bearish here. I don't have any RSI or any of that. You can understand. No divergence. All right, to be spotted. I'm sure if we threw it on here, they'd be a little bit overextended. So let's wait and see. Okay, so a nice bottom out there. So 15,344, okay, that made a nice little push. This what causes bullish, got to that area and it started to make this bullish engulfing candlestick, okay. Getting some resistance at 15,374. Remember, this is on the 30-minute time frame, guys, okay. I want to drop it down to the 15 and you can see it more clearly there, okay. All right, you can even tighten that up right there. Okay, so that next one, bullish open. Okay, guys, this is classic too on the 15-minute. All right, so if you were trading 15-minute candlesticks, okay, you can see that this was a neckline right around here. Okay, right around this area, neckline. All right, so look, came down. All right, classic, boom, rejected, boom, came to the neckline, guys, pushed right through. Okay, on the that's on the 15-minute. I bet you if we drop to the 5-minute, you're gonna see a bit of a retest. Yep, right there. So they pushed it through, guys. There's that bearish retest right there. Try to retest the 200 because it's acting as support, and they pushed it up. But now they're getting rejected at roughly that 15,373 mark. Okay, if they get rejected here, they're going to start to sell off. All right. Well, that's a classic double bottom, guys. Right there, you can see it. It's key. Okay. Okay, guys, give me 1 second here. Just checking these spreads on NASDAQ right now because I want to see the movements compared to the spreads. Okay. 80. That's not bad. Perfect. Okay. So see how they're starting to hold some support here, guys. The bottom wicks are starting to push it up. Okay, so we do know there's a lot of buyers in there. This is NASDAQ, guys. We've been part of this historic push. All right. Yeah, guys. Gold has a mind of its own. Honestly, that's why I'm saying I like to trade news, but then I don't trade it between certain times. Right. I don't even mess around with gold on certain times. I'm being serious. Okay. We'll have roughly right there. 15,378.15. All right, that's not bad. 1578.4. Okay. Okay. Perfect holding there. It's looking good. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm going to try US 30, bro. I have it already charted from previous, so I can tell you just signing in. But I already have US 30 charted. It's on the 15 minutes, so I'll just tied it up. You can see, guys, look at this. Guys, this is Chop Fest. This is Chop Fest. Quentin, thank you so much, bro. Quentin Pringle, thank you for joining. Gregory Blake, thank you for joining, bro. Guys, US 30 compared to gold, it's very same. Look at how choppy this is. Bullish, huge. Like this is, it's very choppy. That's why I've been trying to get away from this. Okay, guys, so look. Okay, gold started to sell off here. We weren't focusing on it. Broke below instantly, shot back up. Okay. That's why I said I'm not even looking at gold right now. I want to leave it until roughly like 9:45, and we'll check it. But you can leave this here, okay? You can leave it here. The entry would have been at 17.95, okay? If you had have taken that, not the best overall trade because we know gold is still bullish, okay? So that was a quick pullback. You didn't get it traded, all right? Didn't get it triggered. So what happened was it sold off, then it opened, and then it shot right back up, okay? When that happens, guys, you stay away from it. Okay, if you're selling right on this candle, you got to wait for the next candle to close below it till it has a continuation down. Okay, if not, guys, you see what I mean? Gold is going to continue bullish hard. All right, so I'll leave this here, 1795.5. Okay, I'm not going to put any green on there. That was one of the bullish candles of pretty much the last like probably 20 minutes. Okay. But we'll wait and see if it's going to break 1797. All right, roughly the high. Okay. Okay, there's NASDAQ on the 5. Man, that was a beautiful pattern there. We would have caught this right there, guys. We were trading it. Okay. So let me see this box for a second here. 8 pips. Okay. 15,367. All right. Guys, because these have a mind of their own. Oh, sorry. The heck? There we go. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. Okay, so what I'm looking for, guys, is pretty much if it shorts, okay, I want you to see something here. A lot of guys ask me, like, you're putting on two different charts, okay? I do that because it's a trap and a breakout, okay? A lot of times it works, you know what I mean? It has a good percent win rate, all right? Look, this came down here, boom, boom, boom. Obviously, we know the neck break. You can see, guys, these candles are getting smaller now. These ones had more volume in them. So with this one, it's starting to get a lot less volume near this 15,373. Okay, so if that's the case, you know what I mean, it could potentially sell off, but I'm not waiting till anything until like 9:30. Okay, there's still 20 minutes left. All right, once the 20-minute mark hits, okay, what you could look for it to happen is if this plays, boom, with a rejection down in here. Okay, but Nasdaq is still very bullish, guys. Like you can see, we'll go on a higher time frame. We'll go to the 4-hour. Look at how bullish this is. Like we were part of this. Okay, we were part of these legs up. Okay, so keep this in mind, right? But eventually it's going to have to sell off. Okay, and if that's the case, guys, we'll look at possibly catching it on the lower time frame here. Okay, so I just set that there, but overall best directional break for the downtrend would be there, and you would tighten up your stop loss. All right, give yourself a little wiggle room, roughly to 15,373. Everything's on the same time frame, lost soul. Okay, so if we're talking about this, like, remember, we're looking for these types of trends right here. Okay, like one single candle impulse candles, they're great, but they can reverse so very fast, right? So when we're looking for these guys, you see how this closed, boom, then it opened up and retested 15,351 and then pushed up again, open, close, retested here, and then it continued. Guys, those are the types of trends we're looking for. Even if we get 3-4 candles like this, that's perfect for scalping. You know, these runners of like 200-300 pips, like that's that's just gravy, right? But remember, so this is selling off here and it's holding good support at 15,365. Okay, if it breaks here, guys, it's going to sell off. The people who like to like chirp and say that, you know what I mean, they're not sure what this is, guys, we've been trading this for I've been trading like this for a long time. Okay, and you know what I mean, I like trading on higher time frames too, but this strategy it has a good, you know what I mean, a good win rate, and as you can tell by a lot of the calls, and obviously we wouldn't be growing if it didn't. So okay, so there's still 2 minutes left here. Let's wait and see what's actually going to happen. Okay, so guys, I'm just waiting. I wouldn't enter in anything until like 9:30 and just wait until shortly after, but that's that 15,965. Okay, this is going to be the key right here, guys, this 200-day moving average. All right, if it comes back down around this area, I'm telling you right now, it's going to consolidate before making its next move. Okay, that's why I'm like, when I'm charting this, I know I'm going to have to rechart it right before market open in the next 10 minutes, because obviously the movement of price action. Okay, so 15,364, it's holding really good support. You can see it's bouncing, it's holding a good wick. Okay, we'll see if it's going to push. If not, guys, this thing's going to go to the upside. Okay, see what I mean? I'll look back and I'll tidy this stuff up when roughly around like 9:20. Okay, so 14 minutes. I'm going to basically erase this and erase this. Okay, and we're going to chart based on these 5 minutes. Abdulaziz, if you want to wait for moving averages to cross, you know what I mean? Yes, you can do that, but I'm just showing you that you can see, okay, this is a prime example. Okay, they're hovering it around the 200 for market open. All right, they always do this. I've been trading the same thing for a while. All right, and then they'll make their move. Okay, Mark, short everything and run to the hills. He has a good point. August are generally sell-off months. Okay, so for these bullish moves to happen, guys, it's really weird. You know what I mean? Because a lot of time August is, like I just said, it's sell-off month. A lot of traders who've been doing it for a while, they know that, right? So, but again, in terms of the moving average, you see, guys, when it crosses it, it has big moves. Like, look at this one. As soon as it crossed it, guys, it had a nice little push. As soon as it crossed, it had a nice little push. Okay, so I wouldn't strictly rely on impulse on the moving averages, because it can go either way, right? But what I would really suggest doing is to use them as support and resistance, and then when they get to that point, be ready, you know what I mean, for the breakouts. Okay, but you can use moving averages like a 9 and a 25. You know what I mean? When they cross, it's one of our strategies that we have in our video. You know, moving average cross strategy for an overall directional trend. Okay, so hope that makes sense to you, dude. Okay, so we have a nice rejection here. You can see by the top wicks, guys. Why I have this on here is look, rejection, rejection, rejection. This candle didn't, these candles didn't make it all the way up here, okay? But it has a lot of opportunity for them too. Okay, did you see here too, when I had that drawn at 35,380, okay, that was potentially like that neckline break. All right, let me zoom out for you. So off here, boom, sold off. This is when we saw a neckline, something like a neckline break. They tried to break it up, okay, but it was very low momentum, and then the buyers, the sellers took control and sold it back off. Okay, so wait and see. It's still holding good support at that 200, at the 35,373. But we need to wait. We need to break up here, guys. You can see there's top wicks like crazy. Okay, if they don't break, then this is going to be very hard for this next move. Okay. Okay, so let's just get this charted. Five pips. Okay, good. Guys, it's going to get a little messy because look at this. This is chop fest, guys. This is red, green, red, green. All right, so keep that in mind. Getting held right at that neckline, 35,380. Okay. And then obviously it breaks. We have resistance up here waiting for a possible sell opportunity. Okay, so they're going to have people with sell stops here, sell limits, waiting for price to get up there, and then they're going to trigger and they're going to try to hammer it back down. Okay, that's how this works. Bitcoin. We'll get back to trading Bitcoin, guys. We just had a busy week. Like the business is growing very fast. We've implemented a lot of stuff that we're planning on launching. Okay, so we usually do crypto on the weekends and stuff like that. But you guys will see, like you know, these haters and stuff. They don't know what's coming. They don't know what's coming for the new traders, for maybe the intermediate traders to try to help with win rate percentages using statistical calculations. Trust me, we're putting that all in our group, guys. You guys, I'm excited because it's going to give an opportunity to help a lot of new traders, okay, learn their win percentage and different things like that. All right, okay, let's check gold here. See why I left that? Guys, this is choppy right now, okay? Stay away from gold if you want, okay? Stay away from gold if you like. All right, and kit, wait until we're done, market open, trade that. Guys, gold is too, I personally would not, I don't want to trade gold right now, okay? I'm going to tell you right now. Gold, we had a nice sell, okay, but then look at that bullish reversal here. So we did not catch a trend, okay? We had the bullish breakout here for roughly 30 pips, and it sold off, still holding, made a nice retracement, excuse me, sorry, but now it's selling off again. Guys, it's too much right now. We don't, it's too barcoding, it's too head fake-ish. Okay, I have a couple guys who messaged the group saying they're, you know what I mean, they're getting head faked out. So I don't want to trade something that is head faking you guys out. I'd rather wait until 9:30, okay, and then we'll go from there. All right, so here's Nasdaq, guys. Let's get back to it. Okay, there's Nasdaq. And remember, guys, I'll throw on the other chart in a second here. Okay, as you can see from the bottom, they're starting to make a leg up. Okay, but now they're getting into that sideways trading stuff, the stuff that they always teach you not to trade. Okay. Abdulaziz, I personally agree with you, man. I I like trading like that. You know what I mean? If you see what I see in terms of the opportunities, like one candle can have 20 pips, right? So some of the other people they don't, the new people, they're not too understanding of that. Okay, but they'll get it fast. Okay, so shorting. All right, look, nice tight stop loss here. and I'm going to do it below the 200. Okay, so guys, that roughly stop loss area is around 8 pips. Okay, and that's the sell opportunity that can have. All right, keep this in mind. Listen, I'm putting it below this wick right here, which is below the 200. So it's got to break here and have a nice continuation. All right, and you can see these top wicks, they're having a huge impact on this. All right, so it's 920, guys. Give me 1 second here. I'm looking for it to push up in maybe this area right here. All right. Wait for that, guys. Don't enter in anything just yet. We'll catch a trade, guys. Trust me on this. We'll catch these trades. Yesterday was just a one-off. Okay, so it breaks above here, guys. Just be patient. You guys are like, what is he doing? He has 2 charts on here. Yeah, don't worry. I hear this enough. Break below. All right. Okay. Let me touch up NASDAQ for a second here. We'll get ready for it, and then I'm going to ask you guys what you want to do. So there's NASDAQ kind of selling off here. Guys, if NASDAQ breaks above here, it's going to continue. Okay, roughly right there. And I'll use this area as a stop loss. I know it looks weird, okay, but just be patient with it. It's got to break above. Oh, sorry, guys, what am I doing? Roughly this area of 15,373. Okay. All right, so guys, if it gets above here, we'll be ready for it. See what I'm saying? It's got to break above a lot of consolidation to get here, but there's opportunity for it to do that. All right, and when it does, we'll adjust our stop losses accordingly. Okay. 94 likes, guys. Okay, guys, it's 922. Okay, I need 6 likes, and then I'm going to start taking what you guys wanted: US 30 or NASDAQ 100. The first 15 that I see, we'll throw on the chart, guys. We only have like 8 minutes, so get that to 100, and then I'll take it. Okay, I'll start listening to what we want. Hundred likes, guys. Okay, let's start this. I have 1 US 32 NASDAQ, 2, so it's 2-2 right now. Okay, I have 4 NASDAQs, 2 US 30s. We're going to 15, guys. Okay. Abdulaziz, it does. Okay, and that's why 5 NAS. That's why we're gonna wait for it. So 3 US 35 NAS, 6 NAS, 4 US 30, 7 NASDAQ, 8 NASDAQ, 9 NASDAQ, 10, 11, 12. 4 US 30, 12 NASDAQ to 4 US 30, 13 NASDAQ, 4 US 30, 14 NASDAQ, 1 more NASDAQ, and we're good. Okay, US 30, US 30, US 30. So we're at 7 NASDAQ. There we go. James GM, my man. I love your emoji, your avatar, bro. James GM, legend. Okay, guys, we're on NASDAQ. Okay, we generally do US 30. Okay, for a lot of it. All right, but a lot of guys want to see some NASDAQ, so we'll trade NASDAQ. Okay, so keep this in mind, guys. Like, next candle is we have one more candle until market open. All right, I'm going to explain this to you. Okay, I need you to understand something here. Okay, guys, you see all this rejection right up in this area right here? Okay, look, right here. Sorry, my thing's not grabbing it. Okay, that's a key area, guys. See how they tried to push it up, and then it sold off, guys. As soon as that bearish engulfing candlestick happened, like, look, okay, right here, bearish engulfing candlestick right there. That was the start of this downtrend. Okay, so remember, guys, if we go bullish and it starts to approach here, okay, just keep that in mind that this has opportunity to go bearish too. Okay. give us a nice, maybe wider stop loss here. Guys, listen, that looks wide to you, but look, things like 8 pips, all right? It's not that much, okay? To NASDAQ, we know can get the nice break ups and breaks down, okay? So see, guys, look at this. It's sold down, but it held here, guys. This is no entry. If you entered on impulse, okay? Trust me, a lot of people get burned because they see the initial start to fall in there, and then it opens up and then it goes bullish here, okay? Yeah, bro, 1795. You called yesterday in the chat. I remember that, like a few times. It wasn't just once, guys. But that's the thing. Like, got guys like Jacob and people like who want to be part of this supportive. Trust me, guys. Like, if you don't think we're not going to look for people to hire, like, I don't want to say this live, but guys, our company is growing. We're going to need administrators. We're going to need other traders, guys. You guys don't even know what we're doing yet. I want to tell you, but I can't. Just keep in mind, individual contractors will be looking for you. Okay, really good traders. We want to train you to help you with this. You know what I mean? So that's what I mean. Guys like Jacob, I know Jacob. He's been on every single call. Abdulaziz, he's been on every single call. He tells me things. He says it might not go this way. He gives me insight to look. Same with Jacob, guys. So like, guys, trust me when I say big things. All right. Okay, guys. Now I like to talk a little bit. So 2 minutes and 57 seconds left. All right. Frankie, don't worry, buddy. We gotta talk to you too. Okay, guys. So look, I know these look really like large areas of stop loss, but it's only 8 pips. Okay. So, and please, guys, please remember. Okay, I'm gonna write this down too, just so you can understand it. Small lot sizes. Do not over leverage. Okay, and then wait for first candle to close. Okay, so don't ever leverage, guys. Use smaller lots. Wait for the first candle to close. Okay, it's very key in market open trading. Okay. Yeah, guys, trading's amazing. It's social. This is fun. Guys, do you know the army we're building right now? It's crazy. And you know, who knows? Maybe Abdulaziz has a group that he wants to, you know what I mean? Tell, like, I don't really care. I obviously want people to join us, but like, you know, you join us for a reason and live because you know it works. So, Makala, what's going on, brother? Thanks for joining. I am, my man. Add us to WhatsApp. Sorry, add us to Instagram, and we'll talk more about that. Okay. Okay, guys. So you see how they're finding good support at 15,365? We have 2 minutes, and then we're going to see some fireworks here, okay? Now, guys, if I were you, listen, if I were you, I would maybe wait for the first candle to close, okay? Absolutely, there's a lot of liquidity at 15,300. Yep. Okay, guys, we're going to this under 40 seconds left. Okay, guys, so the first candle, maybe just wait for it to make its move, okay? And then we can go based on that. If you really want to, you can move your entry to there, but keep in mind, guys, that there's a lot of resistance there. Market open might not care about it, but it's totally up to you. So that's 15,371, okay? Which is roughly this top of this bearish candle right there, all right? There we go, guys. Market open, pushed up. Okay, remember I told you there's NASDAQ looking good. Okay, let's just wait and see. Wait for the first candle, guys. Okay, guys, if you did take this, move your stop loss to break even. I'm not saying that everyone took it, but if you did, move your stop loss to break even. You know what I mean? Secure some profits, guys. Okay? Nasdaq's a beast. It pushed right through here. You see what I mean? Push right through that resistance. Now it's pushing down. Okay? Still 4 minutes left. Remember what I said. Wait for the first candle to close. Do not over leverage smaller lot sizes, guys. Okay? Keep this in mind. Nice little head fake. All right? Wait for the first candle to close. How many times do I got to say this to you? Just notice this. There's a reason why, guys. Liquidity grab might pump it the other way, just like this. All right, now, guys, now we'll wait. There's 3 minutes and 53 seconds left. Let's just wait here. You can see it starting to fluctuate, push up and down. All right, there's US 30, guys, just tanking. Look at this. Okay, wait for it to close. We'll wait and see if we can get the other area. US 30 just tanked, guys, like insane. Like, I don't even have. Okay, so move your stop loss, guys, if you did take it to break even. All right, and then let this ride. We missed this, okay, but like I said, we had it charted at 353. Look, 353.72. It dumped. All right, it's going to come down to here if it does. All right, but the thing is, guys, don't worry. We'll either catch the retracement of it or we'll catch the pullback. All right, so let's US 30. There's Nasdaq, guys, pushing up, looking good. Nasdaq is very nice. Caught a nice little entry on Nasdaq, but there's still 2 minutes and 58 seconds left here. And if you're not trading, guys, don't worry. Just sit back and watch. All right. Look for Nasdaq. If it's going to get to 15,391, look for it to sell off at that time. Okay. Okay. Big wicks, guys. Big wick. That whole wick, I'm going to tell you right now, from that wick to where it is now, guys, that's 10 pips. Okay. That's serious. Okay. So if you're in these types of trades, guys, look to take your profits. Okay. I am waiting. Okay. Wait for first candle to close, guys. There's still 2 minutes left on this first candle here. All right. Keep that in mind. Look at US 30, guys. Broke right through. Look at this. Wow. That's disgusting. This is higher time frame support. Okay. So remember how yesterday was garbage? Yeah, guys, look at this. If you took that, guys, look. That thing's running 79 pips. Okay. I'm not saying, listen, I'm not saying we were on this and it boomed off. Okay. We watched NASDAQ. Everyone wanted to trade NASDAQ today. All right. No issues. I don't care. It's fine. But look, guys, I wanted to show you this is the type of movements you can get on market open. But now, guys, listen, a minute and 37 seconds left. We'll wait and see how the next candle is going to close. All right. We'll wait and see. This could be the potential sell-off here, guys. Like, remember how I told you market in August generally kind of sells off? We'll wait and see if this is actually going to be the move. All right. NASDAQ, still bullish here. The dirty Ross, I guarantee it. I miss Ross in the morning, guys. Hit my daily goal with US 30, sitting back and watching now. Absolutely, bro. Congratulations, man. See, guys, this is the thing that I want you to understand. Look, I have Ross, my boy. Okay, this guy's been supporting us since day one. All right, listen. He understands market open trading. I have Best Kicks. You know, he actually gave me some good insight, and I've been telling you for a while it's going to have a nice little sell-off. But fun time. Listen, he just hit his daily goal with US 30. Okay, he's obviously understanding market open. For people who don't understand market open, it's like, okay, it might be, I missed the first candle. What do I do now? As you progress with time, you will get better, and you might even start taking these impulse candles. You know what I mean? Because they're very big. Okay. I just wanted to show you, like, point out some of the guys here. I have no idea who he is, but I know he's always on the call. Okay. And if you can see that he starts to see getting into these types of trades, guys, you know what I mean? It can be like a little bit risky, absolutely, right? But when you can get better and better and understand that if you can nail this 7 times out of 10, that's a good win percent. That's 70% win ratio, okay? So I just want to give a shout out to Fun Time. You know what I mean? I know he's always on the call, so I wanted to I appreciate that, okay? Okay, new candle open, guys. 1 second here. I want to wait and see what's going to happen. Caught the US 30. Frankie, my man, good. Guys, any kind of buying opportunity on this, I'm not buying just yet, but I'm looking for up here. Okay, nice tight stop loss. If it gets up here, guys, like I'm not entering in prematurely. What I want is this thing to sell. So sell off here. It found good support and opened at 35,314. All right. So see how it sold off. Okay, now push back up. I want this to come up here, maybe retest, hold this area, and continue. If not, guys, it's just going to continue to break down. All right. If not, like I said, this thing's going to just fall. Okay. Wait and see what's going to happen. It's in this. It's in a key area right here, 35,315. All right. Give me 1 second here, guys. Okay, so guys, key thing, look at this. All right, keep this in mind. Bottom wicks. Okay, look at that. Bottom wicks. All right. Look at NASDAQ. Wow, guys, look at NASDAQ breaking right through, guys. This is disgusting. Okay. Guys, and this was a good trade too. Like, remember how I told you it held support here? It started to push back up. I had like, guys, NASDAQ has been bullish, right? So we got to understand that it's a nice bullish trend. All right. Boom, look at this, guys. If Takar, you did that, bro? You made almost 1K. Look at this, guys. Look at NASDAQ. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. Look at this, guys. I can't make this up. You're probably wondering like what's going on next. Well, again, guys, we're at a high point, guys. We're watching history right now. Okay, so like this is chilling, guys. I have a lot of people I know in here, and then I have a lot of people I'm not too sure of. Guys, where are you from? Let me know. I want to see where everyone's from and stuff like that, because I have guys around the world that are killing it. You know what I mean? I just want to see, where you're from, if you liked it and stuff like that. So just let me know. Okay, let's check out US 30 for a second. Let's check out gold for 1 second. Look, oh, there you go, guys. There's gold. I'm not like I don't want to say anything, but like that was the sell. Okay, all right. We didn't watch it obviously, but I had that chart there. You can see it was already there. So that trade is monstrous, guys. That sell would have been like 40 pips. Okay, so let's focus back on these indices. All right, there's US 30. All right, still selling off here. Okay, they broke below here, guys. US 30 could still fall. Okay, I think US 30 could potentially get down to there if it really has that selling pressure that we think. Okay, so look, guys, selling off huge, not even getting near the buying opportunity, nothing. Okay, okay, guys, let's see where everyone's from here. We'll keep watching this. Okay, I got my guys from Pablo from Spain, If Guitar from London. Oh, girl, congratulations, nice man. You're a London trader, awesome. Okay, my MTS don't show NAS 100. Wick fella, look under indices, bro. It might show Dow Jones DJ something. Okay, check that out. Naz, yo, where are the haters, bro? I can't see them. Well, I don't care about haters, man. We have no energy here to focus on that binary choice. Egypt, man, that's crazy, bro. Welcome, thank you so much for joining this channel. Safraz, UK, welcome, bro. Mr. Nod by Belgium, nice. Pablo, thank you, brother, I appreciate. Peter Simmons, Sussex, UK. Mahnia, Romania, nice, bro, thank you. Okay, Ross, obviously my man. Frederick got Thailand. Psycho Demon, South Africa. Dubai. I live in Ireland. Wow, guys, that's crazy. Guys, I gotta take a picture of this for 2 seconds, just because that's like crazy. Okay. Qatar, Ross from Chi Town. Chandra, Jakarta. Okay, Phoenix. Okay, guys, don't worry. I'm going to find this right now. We got Makala, South Africa, Singapore, Matt Gomez. Yeah, Matt Gomez makes a nice little point, guys. Below 35,311, it's going to melt. I agree with him. Okay. Paula, Las Vegas, Matt, Miami, Kenya, Virginia. Guys, we're all over the place here. Okay. So look at gold, guys. Oh, guys, look at, we had it up here, guys. Look at this. Guys, we had it. We had it, guys. Oh my God, look at gold. Guys. Oh, oh guys. Oh, guys. Guys, look at gold. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, look at gold. This gets me pumped. You know what? Bananas? This is bananas, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Even if you caught it down here, look. Guys, that's running 80 pips. Like, I'm not taking claim for it, but we had this charted. Look at gold, guys. Just, getting destroyed. Destroyed, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Bananas, guys. This is game over. I'm so glad this happened because yesterday was like, it was really embarrassing. But guys, look at gold. And for every hater, for every hater, it's, oh, you guys don't do this, don't do that. Guys, look. This was chop for sure. I'll agree with that. We hit a stop loss. I don't care. Move on. Guys, this trade was bumping. You know what I mean? Look at our NASDAQ. Look at our NASDAQ, guys. Look at this. All the haters. Risk free. Move your stop loss to 35,371 and let this trade go. All right? Let it go. You're making your pips. Look at this, guys. NASDAQ. NASDAQ, you're up 25 pips. Okay? Congratulations, guys, if you took it. And let's see US 30. US 30 is still falling. They're finding some good support here, guys, though. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm not looking for any kind of buy opportunity unless it's right above here. Okay? But even still, guys, that's very iffy. Okay, so I'm going to just maybe leave US 30 for now. You made our pips, guys. US 30 sold off. Like, even if you caught it from down here, okay, and you're right there, you're at 40, 50 pips, okay? 40, 50 pips. Keyshawn, Bahamas, my man. Joker is the New Zealand. Welcome, Jess Enrico, Nambia. Guys, awesome. See, this is the energy on the call that I like, okay? For real, you guys, this type of energy makes me feel good, okay? It makes me want to get more energetic. So, appreciate you guys. Brogdon, dude, Nasdaq. Obviously, I don't know. It's been weird. Everyone's been saying it's going bearish, but obviously it's been going really bullish. Okay. Okay, so let's now watch. All right. Okay, guys, listen. If you're in that gold sell, look at this. That's insanity. They're still gonna fill this wick here. All right. So let's just wait and see. Frankie, just be careful, buddy. Okay. I'm telling you, you know me. When I tell you to look to take some profit, look to take some profit. Okay. Just in case. Okay. The only reason I'm saying this, guys, it's the wick. Okay. And you'll see what I mean by next. If it starts to get up here, don't worry. We'll catch the buy. I might actually think this is going to go into buy. Frankie, get out, buddy. Okay. If it's going to break above, guys, what we're looking to do is have a nice, maybe tight stop loss here. All right. And the reason why I'm looking to do that is because it's a lot of selling wick. The gold can fill wicks, guys. Okay. Okay. Good, Frank. Perfect. What I'm looking for is just, guys, look at that. Sold off huge. Okay. Boom, held it, then push right back up. Okay. I need it to close above here and then maybe make a bounce. All right. Uzbekistan. Wow, bro. Welcome. Elite. Welcome, brother. Thank you so much. Okay. And guys, listen, I know you're probably like, this guy just wanted to sell at a low. I didn't want to, okay? I wanted to sell on this wick. Okay, so that was essentially the trade right there. Whether you're going to take it, guys, it's up to you. I just want to show you that gold can potentially reverse here, okay? All right, so just be patient with this. I wouldn't enter in just yet. Just wait, okay? But gold can really fill these wicks, guys, okay? I've seen it happen so many times. If it gets below here, guys, this area right here, see my crosshair? If it gets below here and starts to sell off, that's what you're looking for. All right, let's wait and see. There's the buy, guys. Okay, it's looking good. Move this over here. Guys, this is scalping 101, okay? So listen, if you did take that, okay? If you did take that, you're roughly maybe up like 10, 15 pips, guys. Scale out. Move your stop loss to break even. Did you hear what I said? Scale out, move your stop loss to break even. If this thing continues, all right? Make sure you understand this. Okay, there's NASDAQ selling off, guys. NASDAQ selling off, okay? So we took some profit. Fuck. Okay, we'll wait and see if NASDAQ is going to start to sell there. If not, guys, it's going to bounce. Two scenarios here, okay? Keep this in mind, all right? Boom. It's going to hold this area right here, okay? And it's going to retrace, all right? If not, it's going to sell off here, okay? So just wait. All right, guys, let's wait for that US 30, all right? Alberto, dude, thank you. I see, guys. Just read Alberto's comment and just know that I appreciate these types of comments a lot. You know what I mean? Because I'll be honest with you, Ron has a family, I have a family, and when we get like hated on, we're not here to hurt. We're not here to do anything other than trade. You know what I mean? And grow our trading thing to help traders. That's it. So when we give people like Alberto giving us these comments, compliments, I just wanted to say thank you. Okay, for real, from the bottom of my heart, man. I really appreciate that. It helps mentally, physically, and emotionally when you're trading too. Okay, so I just want to say thank you. Okay, so just keep in mind here. Let's check out gold now. Okay, so see how I told you on gold, guys? Take your profit. The reason why I said that is because this zone right here. Okay, they broke it down. Now they're retesting here, and boom, is a quick little scalp. Do not hold these forever. Okay, for real. That's why I told you to move your stop loss to break even. All right. Okay. Okay, so see how NASDAQ is still dancing around? All right, we need to just wait and see if we're going to get a continuation or if we're actually going to get a flush. Okay, and guys, as you see, yesterday was like garbage. You know what I mean? It's just choppy, right? Same thing. Like that's when I find, guys, when it's choppy, I find that's when people call us out the most because you know what I mean. It's so hard to trade, but you know it's not easy trading chop. So yesterday, like, forget it, move on. Today we still had a little chop at the beginning. Okay, so make sure you understand that. Do not trade any choppy sessions. It's just going to destroy you mentally and physically. You're going to get so mad at trading that you're just going to be like, I don't even want to trade. Okay, don't let it like that. Okay. And I just want to give a shout out to Danish. Thank you so much for subscribing, bro. Sankala, thank you. And then Eric Betrago, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, bro. I really appreciate it. Okay. Yeah, guys, see, I told you. Remember that. They're going to fill this bottom wick. Okay. I had a feeling they were going to do it. Remember, I had it down here. I told you, look, take your profit on here. Okay. They don't run forever. I don't care if you're doing a zero point 0.1, a 0.01, whatever. When I tell you to look to take some profits, guys, please do it. It's because I see something that maybe you don't. Okay. And I'm not here to, we're not here to, you know, hurt anyone's trading or anything like that. You know what I mean? We're here to really help people. So, okay, that was a risk-free trade for the buy. So that bottom wick, they push that top wick, they push it right up and then flipped it right around. Okay, nice liquidity grab. They might drop it more. Okay. Now the reason why I'm saying that is because look at this wick. Okay, they already made it there once. This wick is huge. Okay, so let's wait and see if we're actually going to get a continuation or a push. Okay, this holding there, no confirmed entry yet, guys. Just be patient with this. It's got to get below here. Okay, 1788.81. If it starts to really sell off, all right, it could really start to sell down here. Okay, but it's not yet. Don't hit that sell button. Okay, see how it's holding support there? Just be patient with this. Just be patient with this, okay? Okay, guys, 10 more minutes, all right? But look at NASDAQ now, okay? Selling off. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Okay, let's see if it's going to continue to fall. Okay, there we go. It's got to get to 15,365. Okay, let's see if it's going to get a nice little sell off here. Guys, for the people on the channel that maybe are like on the fence, when you see me, okay, keep control of that trade, guys. There's about 8 more minutes and I got to get out of here. When you see me do things like this, okay, some of you guys are probably like, what is he doing? Okay, like, holy, like, this is normal, not how you trade. Okay, what you need to understand is that I'm looking for getting the overall trend. Okay, so I mean, so look, if it breaks above here, guys, I'm literally going to erase this, all right, have it decrease, and then basically what I want to do is ride this out, and then we're going to catch the next trend, okay, the next reversal point or pullback. All right, okay, see how it got pushed back up here? It found some resistance and support at 15,368. Okay, it got rejected, no confirmed. Okay, let's check out gold now. There you go, guys, gold. Look at that. Okay, nice little impulse buy here. It took its hold. Okay, look at this, guys. Boom, gold wick filled. Okay, so for my guys who like to just talk and say like, yeah, we're a joke and stuff. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Look at gold. You're welcome. I called this. Go back and watch the video that they'll fill this. Okay. Oh, man, I got no time for this. No time for this, guys. No time for energy drainers. So what do? You guys are just gonna get banned. I don't care. Hide user from the channel. I don't care. Goodbye. I have no energy for anybody like this. Okay. So guys, look. Also here, look. Risk-free trade. Move to break even. You're good to go. Okay. Rich Tran, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Guys, remember, just keep this in mind, okay? Gold fills wicks, okay? Wicks are a huge thing in trading, okay? When you can start to understand the filling of these and how they mean and what they do, you're going to be a lethal trader, guys. Like, I'm talking like a sniper, like crazy. Grind, thank you for subscribing. Sumi, thank you for subscribing, okay? I really appreciate that, all right? And guys, these trades were taken at level... That was the entry 1788, okay, and it just hit. I have to draw resistance or support here because they both bounced. Okay, you can see they both hit 1785. Okay, roughly 22 pips. Okay, but this overall sell, guys, was massive. All right. And guys, I really hope you're learning something too. Like, I know there's a lot of good traders on here, and like honestly, it's crazy. I just want you guys to know that trading is not easy at the beginning, but when you can trade consistently for a while, you know what I mean? You're going to level up, okay? You're really going to get a lot better. I mean that. And last thing I want you to understand is like, this is supposed to be fun, okay? So I hope you guys are having fun. I don't want anybody to be stressful here, okay? Wow, guys, 600 for the day. Unbelievable. Okay. Listen, guys. Listen to me. Start to secure some profits. Okay, they found a double. It's been now 3 times it felt support here. look to take your profits. Okay, I'm telling you personally, look to take your profit. Okay, for real, because this thing can bounce. All right, I don't want it to bounce on you. Okay, please. Okay, there's US 30 starting to prime. All right, guys, I'm only staying until 10 o'clock. Okay, I got a busy day, but we'll be doing a night session tonight. And yeah, for the members in the group, don't worry, we're going to send out some more pairs. All right, today, and we're going to be good to go. Okay. Nasdaq. Okay, filled it. All right. Wow, man. So that was a bad trade. It was good sell off at the beginning, like it's still good, but I definitely think that if we watched it, we would have understood maybe to take profit down here. Okay, so if you're in that Nas, guys, if it breaks, elite, look it to the top of the group. Okay, there's a blue pin message. Just jump on there, click the free telegram, and we're good to go. Okay. All right, but guys, if it starts to break above here, just look to exit that trade. If you gangster and you understand that, or you're not using a bigger lot size, maybe look to exit up here. I'm not saying that that is the best thing. I'm just saying if you understand that, maybe give the trade room to breathe. I set up tight stop losses because I'd rather get knocked out than let this thing bleed. Do you understand? Night session is at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, keep that in mind. Martin Hill, thank you much for subscribing, brother. I really appreciate it. Okay. And guys, thank you too, like, for subscribing. Like, I know, see what I mean, guys. See what I mean about gold. Listen to me. Try to, like, I am not here to mess around. Okay, I have no interest into watching you guys lose accounts. I have no interest in watching getting you into bad trades. I have nothing. Why would I do? We would not do that. Okay, we would not host a live channel and just try to do that because we wouldn't grow. When I'm telling you guys to look to take out, you know what I mean? I'm telling you right now, look to take out. Okay, simply because I can see good support forming from the triple area, triple bottom wick, pushing up. Okay, so just you know what I mean? Just try to. Some people get a little ego trading, and I'm like that sometimes too. Okay, for real. But I get humbled real quick. So just keep in mind, guys, that I like if you get in a trade and I see something reverse, I definitely would look to get out. Wick fella, I did. I have two trades going here. Okay, you can see on my webcam. Okay, two blue for blue. It's not that much, guys. One's like 50, one's like 80. Okay, not too much. Okay, all right. Vic MG, brother, welcome. Thank you, dude. I know you're tuning in late, bro. I'm getting off at 10. So, guys, that's a bullish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so keep that in mind. There's a lot of buyers here. Okay, a lot of buyers here. There you go, guys. There's that US 30 trade. There's the entry, right there. We caught the buy. Okay, so now if you're in this trade, guys, move your stop loss to break even and let this run. All right. So yeah, guys, that's not bad. I hope everyone had a good call. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people from around the world joined. I really appreciate that a lot. I definitely appreciate you guys signing on and subscribing. You know what I mean? Like, if you guys don't realize, like, we've added almost 1,500 subscribers in less than a month. Okay, like, we're almost at 2K. You can follow us on Instagram. Like, I started posting at 500. Now we're up to 1,500. When let me just show you guys. I posted a 500 subscriber mark on July 16th. Okay. It's August 25th. Okay, so we're almost a little over a month. We're gonna have 1,500. So yeah, guys. Okay, so we got one more minute, guys. Is there any questions? You know what I mean? I'm not going to dive into another chart or anything like that. The group that we have will be. I'll show you that, but just give me 2 seconds of your time, guys. I know a lot of you guys have seen it before because you guys are new. I'm not. I like to show you this just to show you guys. We have a website, stocksnipertrading.com. Okay, I'm gonna be updating a new blog today and sending it out. Okay, so what I want you to do is just scroll down to the bottom here. Okay, you can check out the site on your own. I don't need to explain it to you. Just join the newsletter. Okay, I'm not going to be sending you the indicator, this or that. What I'm going to be sending you are pretty much some free blogs. Okay, so different things like this. One of Ron's trading sessions, he had a bearish flag. Okay, and then a double bottom breakout at market open. Okay, and then we show you one of our members trades, and then we break it down for ABCD, then we show you the video. Okay, so that's the type of stuff we send you. You know, if you do want to join our program, you know what I mean, obviously we're a big believer in pay it forward. That's why we stream for you live. All right, we have it right here, so you can check it out. We have a 52-week course that we made ourselves. We upload pretty much new webinars every week. We've done 9 so far, so, and we'll be doing scalping power hours. Okay, and guys, there's a lot more coming, like I told you, with statistical data that we're having for new traders to try to get the win percentage up, to see what they're doing. We're building an app. Okay, so there's a lot of things that we're doing for our guys. Okay, so make sure to check it out, guys. Always remember to pay it forward. That's why we stream live on YouTube. But you can see US 30, guys, it just really broke to the upside. Okay, so from that trade to there, you're looking at 40 pips. We caught the sell and then we caught the buy. Okay, there is a lot of prop traders in the group, guys, both Funding Talent and FTMO. Jonathan _ FN, thank you so much for subscribing, bro. And Hatam FFFM, thank you so much for subscribing, guys. But guys, the stream, I'm going to end it now. Okay, if you guys have any questions, we do have a Telegram free group. You can join there. You can message us on Instagram, and then look at US 30, guys. We caught the buy. Okay, so for all the haters, like, where are you at now? Just kidding. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a good day, and send us a message if you guys have any questions or want to give us some feedback on our feed. Okay, if not, guys, thank you so much. Really appreciate every single person that subscribed recently and joined us and joined on the live calls. Okay, so we'll be going live tonight at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, all right, so we'll see you then, and God bless and have a good day, guys. Appreciate all of you.